Echosec is a search and monitoring platform for social media content. We enable analysts and researchers of all different walks of life to analyze social media content anywhere in the world. We actively work with a number of journalistic and investigative journalism teams, and what they're looking to understand is how events unfold and what the large-scale impact is in that region, and whether or not they need to immediately invest more resources or if it's just going to be a blip on the radar. As a journalist, investigative reporter, or financial analyst, you can use the Echosec platform to go anywhere in the world and pull back raw, real content from the source. One of the most interesting use cases Echosec has been used for in the past was on the journalism side. What happened was an investigative reporter was looking to understand the coup in Istanbul. They wanted to know how people were moving around and what was the scope and impact of the event. They used Echosec to understand and research the social media side of it, and when they published that article, it was actually so impactful they won a major prestigious award. As a journalist, you absolutely need a solution that's going to access raw social media content from the event so you can understand and verify what's going on. If you don't have one, contact us.